Fresh Sabja seeds are loaded with all those essential nutrients, which are required for germination of the plant. Adding these seeds to your regular diet can help you get sufficient amounts of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, sugar, dietary fibers, vitamins, minerals, and calories. Hence, your bodily functions are regularized and you can stay away from a number of ailments. Sabja seeds possess 42% carbohydrates, 20% proteins, 25% fats, calcium, 244% of recommended daily dose, magnesium, 178% of recommended daily dose, iron, 499% of recommended daily dose, potassium, 56% of recommended daily dose, folic acid, 78% of recommended daily dose, and vitamin E, 53% of recommended daily dose. They also contain lots of dietary fibers, omega-3 fatty acids, alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and almost negligible calories. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.